Adom TV Badwam dwumade no eso enwom ne de sha se de edu so no ye Badwam kase ensam no ne yetodwa wo mu bi ya wo beti ne CID ni na court control aka won ho abomu a enuro ntampe nom ne ade e won ahye ni nyina ye de ho nsam no ebebro ene wo kokumase Asante Mantemu abetodwa se nkwada gina kwa ho srade ne de waji kuro na boso eno ni nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase or share live or Facebook/Adom TV Extra, Go TV channel near 119, DSTV 280. Oko YouTube, I will search Adom TV Tube. Ubenya ye, kwadomonline.com, semni na so eguho. Midi di afia amankwa tamaklu. Afia ni di mienti said semni chimu no etie. Me katsai aye boto ahodo ya enuboni aye mumma. Na CID ni na courts mpanifo aka won ho abomu a won mo ehye no emu nsam Adom TV kase etwaso
courts akrachefo na afi na Courts Control Commission mpanifo na odi approachfo anim ma wakokose enuboni ewo osu empoano enuboni a wo hye no marijuana na so bonsam ta wawi no ekutamu nkotokuo makomako ahanu ne aduanan emienu kokene ka ho no eye kilo no edunsia na afi heroin no ewo bucket mu wen mu nyina so no ene se ebebo manfo kokose obi biara odi nuboni hudwa anasa wo ye ho adwuma no wakire wa emra no bedi ne nuboni no so obeji afiri nsem ama court agina so ema wasen wo omemu ifise Ghana mra etia sanso na wo gina so ama omanfo ehunu se oman Ghana emra etia kokokokose obi ebeye nuboni ho adwuma obedi hudwa anase odi bibi ebese no ho ayi bibia emra no etia Latif Idrisu yama na eboni ono ena odi ekire ekọ osu empoano ehọ no mkọhwe sede wo se enuboni
temo ababeto dwa se kumase de ne make say enkra ya wo mo esesra de no won waje kumase aboso na wo mu jejira miamia bi ti sekeje tia mo come round about dum ene kumase zoom potamu ho ne bebre wugina ho no obo kem de ho nsam so etie yaman boni etwaso
umuno enkwara be sempem nan enegu Ghana monten so a wo sesika eno na so bepiemu Asante Mantem he a enkwara sika sere ewo kwan ho ene traffic mu yade a nansen ama no homne so ye Adom ka setisi abonten ene adehye bi ebon komo ene bi ekire senti a omo sika no
oh yeah almost miska several times ewo traffic ene bi wanya traffic mu kra wutimi nam kromusa bi wa me hwe situation a wo mu ne dimina na wo de stress kana wutimi se ebi ampa kom de no wo hia bibia di ntini se me so kakra me ho a metimi de echene bi
oh skadi ma che mu bibida ebu amehwe me ni bonus so amehwe how awaye na na me bibi kam ense me chene ska na ma chene ska
se di pa no na wo che no metu aboa no ndi na mtira mhia obi ara se no wo che ma aboa no bebre wo yi roman here me ka se enye but se fi di pa no wo che na se wo aboa dia
adehye bi nso akyem se nkora egu abonten sesika ne yade a enya panifo ntu ho na mu anyesa ebema kronobo akosoro
pe bia bakrom ha oma heda nipa heda sesire sika a omu mfiri sa kro ni mu omu mfiri krom ha omu mfiri he na be Ghana ha omu sesire sika no ss sika no sa akoso na drum ebi na so omu anya bia omo de krono ena beba o mani
Adom kase ebo akiri ko social welfare department ne fa Asante Mantem mpanifo bonkomo hena omo chem se omo ene regional coordinating council dopsu ene immigration officers ebesi konya ape asemi epumasibere amansa chiame kwadwo bi mreku
Maento akase no so na enra office of the special prosecutor ede nhwehwemu a efa Airbus no ho bribery scandal no abana wie ya echire mu pefe se bibibie ni wa chire se kanema mpani John Dramani Mahama woni ni nua no won ho bon ketasehye ene proyemu ensembia.
Ladies and gentlemen of the media, the processes leading to the purchase by the government of Ghana of 3 C295 twin turboprop military transport aircraft from Airbus followed substantially the same pattern. Parliament approved the proposed transactions in 2011. In accordance with the laws of Ghana, in the estimation of the OSP, there was nothing remarkable about the deal, and it certainly would not have found its way in the UK and US deferred prosecution agreements and made headlines around the world, but for the involvement of former President John Dramani Mahama and his younger brother of the full-blood, Samuel Adam Foster, also known as Samuel Adam Mahama, and his associates, as recounted in the UK and US deferred prosecution agreements. The OSP investigation found no evidence that former President Mahama was involved or played any role in the procurement and maintenance of the agency relationship between Airbus and Foster and its associates in respect of the purchase by the government of Ghana of military transport aircraft from Airbus. And it appears to the OSP that the direct communications and meetings between former President Mahama and officials of Airbus to close the deal were actuated by good intentions on the part of the former president. It also appears that Foster and his associates became involved as intermediaries in the Airbus Ghana deal after the decision by the government of Ghana in preference of the C29.
Enti was some way mono and a special prosecutor Kisi Jabin and to just say na Symbian wire so one more edibim and Ura John Drama ni Mahama ni Nuanso Wom Huson.
Umubi enim dadano honorable Oboku Prempe ewo moja ewo nintinim.
The OSP has cited and notes that by two separate communications, both dated 22 April 2021, the SFO in the United Kingdom notified Samuel Adam Foster and Philip Sean Middlemas that a decision had been taken not to prosecute them for any offense in respect of the Airbus Ghana deal. It has not come to the notice of the OSP that the SFO in the UK has reconsidered its decision. We consider it that it ties with our conclusion. Further action. A special prosecutor has directed the closure of the OSP investigation into alleged bribery of high-ranking Ghanaian officials by Airbus SC through intermediaries in respect of the sale of military transport aircraft by Airbus SC to the Republic of Ghana between 2009 and 2015. The OSP would not institute criminal proceedings against any person in respect of this investigation. The special prosecutor has also directed authorized officers of the OSP to rescind the 13 May 2020 warrants of arrest obtained from the Circuit Court, Accra, for the arrest of Samuel Adam Foster, also known as Samuel Adam Mahama, Philip Sean Middlemas, Leanne Sarah Davis, and Sarah Feno. Earlier today, I sent out correspondence notifying Interpol of the withdrawal of the red notices in respect of Samuel Adam Foster, also known as Samuel Adam Mahama, Philip Sean Middlemas, Leanne Sarah Davis, and Sarah.
I am to Adom TV bedroom Cassiano so no ba penny award dentra metre kwemada na na ma yensua Sarah se enei MPP amanyoko Franka Tuni Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe nipa bi susu se omuade ne ade na nya sa na tie ne mom oyekokodurofo a se de asem no atie no kreka wo kanti hunu ne sa emu nsem ni
na se de umu bi enim dada no honorable Opoku Prempe ewo moja ewo nintinim enunti se okasa akukudrom na oye de dwuma so a oye ni yei enunti nkofo afada kukudro ne se oye imbi ana so se omuade sa sunsun na lentra ye wo ye wono ye mark akukudro sunsun no ene na eseyenso
Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe enso de nsem etu edwa no na ochire mu ese wono de nokra de da ho a obeka won fam wada won katakata so ni santi na dodo na eka se wono de omuade anase oyahomaso enye sa eneche
nokraka de titi ya ni wan ka nokra ebe wa ye be ba ku wa eti nokra na de be ko so aka ete bia no re fi se de ka nokra so but nokra no kwa no ni ka nokra no ka na fo je dei aha de enti o ti be ko so aka nokra no le be se ko se bia na en kale se nokra no ko so aka eni die no ko so de ba na no eni die ko so de bra so de no ko so de ku pe fo e bi se ka na no pe nya ma ka bra ni de
Nti Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempra Mano Anso wa nei wose teacher trainees enom ne ade mamu munyi NDC Franka Tuni John Dramani Mahama nsama Walker sa nurse for ne teacher trainee allowance no betu ya mo onyi omu ensem no endi
Sadi bakwada na kase opwa men to mame me chat nurse the teacher trainee allowance no
Wamanansoa wasankasa de tudwa se Ghana form 1 won breaking the 8 no wontumi ema no emremu se ne be ya won policies ahodo a wono mo de agu akwan mu no obeboa amano etumi egina na afensi no wode afoforo bi nso aka ho
breaking the 8 what was a free sentence be across to be all day what was the nation to touch the allowance all day what was a rojuba all day but about the nation
Yetwa kase no eso na mmabunu ko bi a wate wa Assin Central Badwam pesua so wose gallant youth of Assin Central nei NDC amanyoko no parliamentary candidate na wonma no nefo amiensa omra na asem bi okokan ya wo mu husu se egu Assin Central won hu fi no mepachew emu nsem ni.
Ladies and gentlemen of the press, drawing the curtains down, the youth of Assin condemned the remarks of Mr. Nure Nushaibu Mijima in the strongest terms. We are here by this press conference, giving him a 3-day ultimatum to retract his statement and render an unqualified apology. We also call on the chiefs of Assin Central to use their influence to demand a public retraction and an unqualified apology from the parliamentary candidate of the National Democratic Congress. We further urge the National Party to hold him accountable and ensure that future public statements are carefully considered by Mr. Nure Nushaibu Mijima.
Emrante ni bi nsoso ensem sei ena tudwa.
De onim ne se nsem a wakan sisi ano se obi pese okope adwuma e wo baabi a wase nipa receive dada. Ekwan be no fa so se CV no. Wo reach CV a wa prepare no nsem we keke no se enye nukrempo no etumi ase wani onyam a wo de kope. Efri se obi anu a ope sebe obi a obo tutu bra, obi a obo kro no, obi a obo nyansa kro no, obi a wudie ne nsem mane a hye ne ma no ne na ye adwuma.
Afeda mo de ma no boy ifra asinfosu ena bradom kase.
Chartered Institute of Tax Law and Forensic Accounts Ghana. One more fra bino and many me young fashion penguna quemo sabeya. In Tokura would do ye da a year mia would ready seek free no. You bet me tree number 2 be a year GJB and ye who said 2 a GA a haneko, and you must say any day.
Revenue year, Mesre say a buying and share from January to data 74 billion penny AGGO. And so we should dream any corruption, any auditor general reporter eba sika kesia atiatisa ehwa kuntebu nkra akwatwe itebesre say yenhwe ehonom no na esuafo any animdifo any akrashifo any students omo mawie JSS omo wie SSS university omo mra na omo mesua saade we sei na me ye sure pa say oboba na ma so ntete na yenso efa ba bi na Ghana ye tax revenue ekọ efom no ye bepti ampije
ora erikodro eto aso ebiem say sese wahunu say na nyade a oba betena say adwuma a oba be no ene say obeka ho abom efrase aye ntete ne kyekye adwumadi amansentwefo ne nsentwefo nso ehu akwan ahodo a obefa so no hu baabi a aban sika na eto ahodo agigi na ewurawura na wabɔ ho dawura ka ho nsɛm ma ɔmanfo adɔ ho so
accounting na ye wo accounting and audit and ye fan ba kwa nkrofo bi krem and ye wo taxation and nso nkrofo fufuro krem nti ye nso ye the forensic accounting ye de cyber crime cyber security digital forensics AI that is artificial intelligence, machine learning, cryptocurrency, virtual asset. Sa area na ye hu se eya dia ebe wiase ese ikruche nimdia ekonkan na emu kron ne ma entity enti sa entity we say no ye pese media for no nso na omo ye financial journalist, business journalist, any economic journalist for no nso no omo nya entity ne nimdia ekonkan se da bi omo ye reporting na Ghana for beti ase se wo Chartered Institute of Tax Law and Forensic Accountant Ghana no nimdia omo so akruche on person de bo Ghana for ni
Ayejina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay ya de asie mame na wase umre no wadaje na mum koso na ne yentna de de obonkrata no ba ene eka ene online de wadaroma de so mo chen sisi ye nchakura na ye ba ya to so